Hey y'all, today I'm gonna try to take this plain Jane dollar store plate and turn it into something that your significant other might want to actually keep around the house. Stick around and I'll show you how I'm gonna pull this off on Only Makes. Hey y'all, welcome back. So I went, did a little shopping at the local dollar store. Been toying around with the laser some more and looking to make some holiday decor that ain't gonna break me, because we got a Hobby Lobby in town and ain't no way in hell I'm paying those kind of prices. So I went and picked up a plate, $1.25, and they're not the greatest of plates. They do have some imperfections in them, but as far as home use and testing, they work just fine. Also, this is the actual tempera paint that I use when I do my marking on glass with lasers. Again, $1.25, and I usually water this down about 40–50%. So one bottle will actually last me a while. And I did pick up this from good old Harbor Freight. I was using a small airbrush, which worked. Took a little bit longer than I wanted, but it worked fine. But I picked this up, is on sale for, I don't know, I think it's like 26 bucks, something like that. I've done some testing with it, and it actually works pretty damn amazing and cuts my prep time down for painting, oh, probably 80–90%. So it's worth every penny I paid for it already just with the testing I've done. So I'll get this table masked off a little bit and we'll get to putting some paint on this plate. Alright, that was fairly painless, and kind of give you a little bit better of a look here. Show what I've done here. Be able to see it pretty good with the contrasting leftover paint. And of course I did engrave the back side, so you can still actually use the plate. Ain't got to scrub food. And now one of the biggest reasons I like using this tempera paint is the cleanup. It's usually just water. I do have a little bit of LA Awesome in here, just in case I missed anything from taking the stickers off or anything along those lines. But I used to use spray paint for this, and the cleanup wasn't hard as long as you got to it right away, but just a mess. And now where I'm at, it gets cold in the winter, so I don't really want to be using a lot of chemicals while I'm locked up in the garage. Okay, let me grab some paper towels here. Okay, and that is what you end up with. Little tough to see on this camera. Let's see if I can make everyone seasick. Grab the camera and use this as a background. There we go. And again, it is on the back side, so this whole side of the plate is fine enough to use. And I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if I can catch the light just right, but you can kind of see some ripples in the glass where it was cooling when the plate was made. And of course, that's why they're dollar store plates. They're far from perfect. But for what I'm going to use it for, probably just around the house and general testing, it ain't bad. It works for us. I bought some of the larger plates and did some just for regular day-to-day eating. They work good. They're microwavable. Can't really complain. So let me go ahead and finish getting this all cleaned up. And I did do a couple other ones here over the last day or so. So I'll finish cleaning this one up real good and we'll take a peek at them. Alright, let's take a look at what we got here. Here's the one that we just got done cleaning up. Fairly solid design, good universal mutual winner type theme. This one here, my wife told me that 3 pine trees with snow is a thing right now. And I'm going to listen to her because I don't know trends, fashion, style. Don't know a whole lot. Don't believe me? You can ask my wife. But don't really mind how this one turned out. Pretty solid design. I'll probably hang on to this one, see if maybe I can't get some better plates and sell that one. But probably my favorite, and more likely than not, because I'm just an overgrown kid. Again, that's something you could ask my wife about. Good old Santa Claus. This one, I think, I just like the overall design and how this one turned out entirely. I'm working on an idea with this one because I picked up some stuff on sale here over Black Friday and got an idea in the works, but we'll see if I can pull it off. So that's going to do it. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.